Students, in Social Studies of Standard 4, we will do today lesson number 12, the Northern Plains. The key features or the key concept of the lesson is physical features of the Northern Plains. Here we will study what are the physical features. Importance of the river basin, states in the plains, life of people in the plains. First, we will study what are northern plains. The northern plains of India are also known as Indo-Gangetic plains and lie to the south of the Himalayas. Here you can see this orange colored part. It is the northern plain. It lies south of the Himalayas. These plains extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. It covers a total distance of 2,400 kilometers. So it starts from Punjab in the west and it extends to Assam in the east. It covers the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and some parts of Assam. As you can see here in this map, the northern plains cover these states. This region receives water from the Himalayan rivers and their tributaries. The rivers which start from the Himalayas passes through these plains. So these plains receive water from the rivers which start from the Himalayas and thus make the soil in this area fertile. The northern plains are also called the football of India because it is a major crop growing area. All the major crops are grown here. It is most thickly populated and the rivers which flow through this region are Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra. Now we will see what is basin. An area that is watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. The area which is watered by a river and its tributaries, that area is known as basin. The northern plains is divided into three main parts or basins. First, the Satluj River Basin. Second, the Ganga River Basin. And third, the Brahmaputra River Basin. First, we will see the Satluj River Basin. As from the name, we can guess that the river Satluj, here it is the source of water. The Satluj Basin lies towards the western part of the northern plains. You can see here, this is the map of India. This is the part of the map of India. Here it is the western part of the northern plains. Here is the Satluj River. River Beas is the main tributary of Satluj and joins the Satluj River before it enters Pakistan. You can see here the Satluj River, it is in India. River Beas, its tributary which joins the river Satluj before it enters Pakistan. The Union Territory of Chandigarh and states of Punjab and Haryana are located in this region. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on the Satluj River. Next, second, we are going to see the Ganga River Basin. As from the name, we can again guess that the river Ganga is the main source of water in this area. Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Bihar, West Bengal are watered by river Ganga. You can see here in this map the Ganga Basin. Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas and flow through these areas. Ganga starts from the Himalayas through the Gangotri Glacier and passes through these states. River Yamuna, which rises from the Yamunotri Glacier in the Himalayas, join the river Ganga at Allahabad. And this place where the river Yamuna joins the river Ganga, that place is known as Sangam or confluence. Confluence means meeting point. This meeting point is called Sangam. River Ganga is joined by the rivers Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and Mandakini on its course, on its path. As the river flows, it is joined by rivers Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and Mandakini. When the Ganga reaches West Bengal, it splits. Splits means divides into two streams of branches. One branch enters West Bengal and that is known as Hooghly, and the other branch enters Bangladesh and is called Padma. As the Ganga flows towards the Bay of Bengal, its speed slows down and it gets divided into small streams called distributaries. So as the river flows towards the state of Bengal, its speed slows down and it gets divided into small streams. The slit deposited by the river forms a triangular shape at the mouth of the river where it meets the sea. This triangular formation is called delta and it is the largest delta in the world. This delta is known as Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. The place where the Ganga enters the Bay of Bengal is called the mouth of the Ganga. Here you can see here in this figure the place where the Ganga enters the Bay of Bengal. It is known as mouth of the Ganga. Wheat is the main crop grown here along with oilseeds, cotton and sugarcane. The climate in this area is very hot in summer and very cold in winters. This region does not receive maximum rainfall or heavy rainfall. So the farmer use water in wells, tube wells and canals for irrigation purpose. Next third, the Brahmaputra river basin. The Brahmaputra originates in Tibet where it is known as Tsangpo. Here you can see the river Brahmaputra. It starts from Tibet and it is known as Tsangpo. It enters India through the eastern part of the Himalayas. You can see here in the map, river Brahmaputra, it enters India through the eastern part of the Himalayas, flows through Assam and then enters Bangladesh. Jute and rice are the main crops grown here in this river basin. Next we will see the life of the people. First we will see the state of Punjab. It is located in the northwest India. As you can see here in this map the location of the state. Its capital is Chandigarh. The main rivers which flow through this state are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Main languages spoken here is Punjabi, Hindi and Urdu. Main festivals Gurupurab, Vaisakhi and Lohri. Main dance male do Bhangra and female does Gidda, Sami or Jago. Popular crafts of the state is Fulkari embroidery. Embroidery means art of forming decorative designs with hand. Leather juttis, woven silks, gold thread embroidery and metal work. Main industries in the state is agriculture, textile mills, sugar mills, dairy industry and machinery. Punjab is called the breadbasket of India because it has fertile soil which is ideal. Ideal means good for the production of wheat and sugarcane. Main food items here in the state is makke ki roti, sarson ka saag, lassi, curd and parathas. Main crops grown in the state is wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize and barley. Tourist spots of the state is Jallianwala Bagh, Golden Temple, Rock Garden, Kila Mubarak, Jagjit Palace and Atari Border.